Sosovalue Airdrop is coming this January, and what does that mean? We are going to cash out on this project, but you need to do some certain things for you to qualify for this airdrop. You have to make sure that you do this that I'm going to explain in this video. You have to tap on this place. Once you tap on these three lines at the top right, you can now locate your profile. Tap on your profile. Then you click on this edit button here. So once you click on this edit button, you are going to see you need to connect your wallet. It's very, very important. A lot of users lost their allocation in season 1 because they did not connect their wallet. It is very, very important to connect your wallet. You have to use any of the Web3 wallets, be it MetaMask, be it Bitget wallet, be it Trust wallet, whichever Web3 wallet that you are conversant with, you can use it and connect your wallet. It is important you connect your wallet. Once you click on connect, follow the prompt, it will redirect you. Click on it, sign in, and our account will be connected immediately. Now, the next thing to do is you make sure you connect your email. You link your email, your phone number. Some users are having difficulty in connecting their phone number. If you are among those that are finding it very difficult to connect your phone number, do not stress yourself, do not worry. The most important thing here is your wallet. Link your wallet, you connect your Google account, your Telegram, and your S account, and you are good to go. So make sure you do that. That is the first airdrop eligibility criteria. Now let's go back. So coming back here, Sosovalue has made it clear that another airdrop eligibility criteria is that you must reach level 2. If you are active on your bonus stars, all these stars you are seeing here, if you are active on them, you must have reached that level 2. Do your tasks, do this bonus tasks. You can see these bonus tasks. I've done this one before I started recording. This was another bonus task. This is another bonus task to like their post on TikTok, and you are getting 2000 ESP. So you do this one, you like their post as well. If you are active doing this bonus task, my dear, you must have gotten that 1 million that will take you to level 2. So it is a very, very important that you are active. Be active, do your task so that you can reach that level 2. It will be a very disastrous stuff if after farming this project and you are being cut off because you did not reach their requirements. Their requirement is not difficult. Do this bonus task, the daily task, the starter task. Do this. If you can as well buy Sosovalue index on using the desktop, you must do this on desktop. That is where how to buy it. You must do it on desktop, and this one you store this Sosovalue on desktop, and you are getting this by doing all these things and being on a daily check. You must have reached level 2. So do this and qualify for this airdrop. Now, if you go back to exchange, so here on exchange, Sosovalue is already trading at the rate of 0.555. This is the price of Sosovalue right now on exchange. That is the season 1. And this Sosovalue has been pumping since they launched this first airdrop. Right now, let's assume you were able to they gave you allocation of 30 Sosovalue. Let's assume you are given 30. Let's just say 30 or 40 Sosovalue. 40 Sosovalue. That means you are going home with $22. This is massive. You are going home with $22. Sosovalue really made people millionaire in the first season. Those people that participated in this project in season 1, they really cashed out. So make sure you are active. Do this that I have mentioned in this video, and I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.